Yeah, very happy to be part of this group. I think it's less than 50 or 100 across the company. So I think the trigger is definitely Dr. Madana, the way he started the servant leadership topic, right? I mean, we have been going through a lot of different leaderships across. I mean, I do have about 25 years of experience. But truly, I think in the industry today, I mean, there's a lot of practices that you can follow, but that one that will make the other person bigger and better, I think this triggered me a lot, and I want to take a bigger step, right? So that's the thing. So in that workshop that I attended, I do understand there are a lot of different programs available, and you can also become a champion, right? Because there were a lot of facilitators when I was taking the workshop. So I thought it's a very interesting topic to get indulged and be more, understand more or learn more about it. And along with Dr. Madana, Mary, and Anu, and there's a whole bunch of people who are advocating it heavily. So I inquired about this program, and it is indeed an intensive program. I think about 8 months or so we had to spend a lot of time. And the team was also a mixed team. We could also learn a lot from others because there were a lot of champions and coaches from Europe, US in the batch that I was part of. And I did enjoy that entire program, even though it was very strenuous. Apart from our daily work, we have to put in at least about 16 to 20 hours a week that you can imagine. It was 8 months, but then yes, it is now paying back, I think, a lot in a way I wanted to. So I'm happy about it. I think definitely there is a lot of satisfaction for sure, because once you read, and then this is also changing, right? Because when we completed the workshop, we had a framework. Now that is also changing. That's interesting, right? I mean, Dr. Madana and Mary and all, they keep changing. And we do have workshops for leaders, and we see the changes happening according to the culture of the company, right? And we have goals for the company, and we have to move forward. So that is also exciting. So I think from an overall org level standpoint, I think it's definitely a good leadership approach for anybody to follow. In fact, either it is work or home. I think it's in today's world, it is one of the best, I would say, the best leadership that can pay you back, right, for the org in terms of growth and success. So then I think I'll have to touch the championing program, right, where I am a mentor for the other, anyway, for that matter, right, for anybody. It's not like people who are attending the servant leadership program. So I am also mentoring a few champions, and they come to ask, how do we do this, right? How do we implement? Because they also open up. That way, they are now they understand. Okay, this is how this model works, and they are opening up, and they are trying to change. They are open about it. When I hear all this, right, I'm very happy about it. So because when people are saying, there is a problem with me, and I'm trying to change, which is the best, right? Because only you can change. Nobody else can change. You cannot change others, right? Only you can change. And people are trying to find how to, and I'm trying to help there. It's amazing. I think I like that.